Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to Al Husna Course YouTube channel. And today's topic is elliptical construction. In this elliptical construction, we are going to talk about definition, function, kinds, and example. Okay, so without any further ado, let's check this video out. First, definition. Elliptical construction is when we are joining two sentences with different subject but same predicate. I repeat, two sentences with different subject but still the same predicate. Okay? The function of elliptical construction is to avoid repetition because here there are two predicates that exactly same, so we have to remove one by joining them together in elliptical construction to be one sentence and to make sentence more clear and simple. Okay? Before going further, we have to know about auxiliary first. Okay, auxiliary verb is such as like to be, is, am, are, was, and were. Modal verbs such as may, might, must, and can. And next, there are do, does in present, did in past, have, has, had in past perfect. There are three kinds elliptical construction. The first is positive elliptical, negative elliptical, and contrary elliptical. Positive elliptical is divided into four types. First, so, to, either, and both. First, so, which form first sentence plus conjunction and, so, auxiliary verb, and the second subject. Okay, let's take a look. You visit him, so do I. You visit him here as the first sentence, so, and we use the auxiliary verb do because here is the simple present tense with verbal form. So the auxiliary verb has to be do or does. But because the subject is I, so we have to make the auxiliary is do. Okay? Next, to, we form first sentence plus conjunction and the second subject, auxiliary, and to. You visit him and I do too. Okay? Next, there's either. We form either plus first sentence with conjunction or second subject and the predicate. With example, either you or I visit him. Okay? Next, there is both. We form both plus first sentence, conjunction and second subject plus predicate. Both you and I visit him. Okay? Next, we are going to the negative elliptical. Negative elliptical is divided into two types. The first is either, with form first sentence plus conjunction and the second subject, auxiliary, not, and either. Because we already have either in positive elliptical, in negative elliptical, we have to make sure that the auxiliary plus not or auxiliary in negative form. Okay, with example, you don't visit him and I don't either. Here is the first sentence, conjunction, second subject I, auxiliary negative, don't either. You don't visit him and I don't either. Next to the second types in negative elliptical, there is neither. With form first sentence plus conjunction and plus neither plus auxiliary plus second subject. In neither, we don't need to make the auxiliary negative because neither is the not either. With example, you don't visit him, neither do I. You don't visit him as the first sentence, conjunction and here, neither, auxiliary verb and the subject. In negative elliptical, we have to know something. If in the sentence there is words with negative meaning such as never, seldom, hardly ever, and rarely, we consider the sentence as a negative elliptical. For example, you never visit him and I don't either. You never visit him, neither do I. And the last type is contrary elliptical. Contrary elliptical is when we are joining two opposite sentence. If the first sentence is negative, so the second sentence must be positive. If the first sentence is positive, so the next sentence it has to be negative. For example, you visit him before we close this material today, I'm going to make conclusion about our material today. So what is elliptical construction? Elliptical construction is when we are joining two sentences with different subject but still the same predicate. The function of elliptical construction is to avoid repetition and to make sentence more clear and simple. There are three kinds of elliptical construction. The first is positive elliptical, negative elliptical, and contrary elliptical. Positive elliptical is divided into four types: first, so, two, either, and both. In negative elliptical is divided into two types. The first is either and neither. You have to make sure in neither the auxiliary has to be negative and neither the auxiliary has to be positive. And don't forget about the words with negative meaning such as seldom, never, hardly ever, and ever. We consider that as a negative elliptical. Okay, and in contrary elliptical, we have to make sure two sentences are different. Two sentences have the opposite form, such as if the first sentence is negative, so the next sentence has to be positive. Okay, I think that's all from our material today.